Hello, who is this?
It's probably someone's lost camera. We should find the owner. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm just doing what you told me to. I'm looking for its owner.
I didn't mean.
Look, it's not like we're rummaging through someone's personal possessions for no reason. We're just, how do I put this? Trying to do the right thing.
Hey.
What do you think this is?
I have absolutely no idea. If I had to guess, some type of mushroom.
You think it's edible?
No. Pain!
But
Think we should head back?
no, we still got a couple more hours till sunset. You trying to go off trail?
Are you mad? We aren't prepared for that.
Like, come on, bro. We walked this trail like, what, 100 times before? Man, that's a big waterfall.
I can't hear you.
Man, that's a big waterfall.
Ugh. Was that you?
It's what me?
That smell.
Not me.
Are you sure you don't want to head back?
No. What, you scared?
No. I'm just exercising caution.
Okay, bud.
Dude, it's getting dark. We should head out.
No, we still got a couple more hours. We'll be fine.
You sure?
When have I ever been wrong? Why can't you trust me?
Fine, but if something happens, I'm blaming you.
Fine with me. Oh, look, a road.
You just noticed that?
What do you think it leads to?
I don't know, man. It's a road. It's not that special. Okay, can we seriously get away from whatever's making that smell?
Oh, can't handle it. Maybe we should. I think we're good.
Great, let's get out of here.
You don't want to go back and see what he left?
Absolutely not. How can you even consider that after what we just saw? You ever think about where the smell is coming from now?
Don't think.
I don't want to think about this anymore, okay? Let's just get back so then we can... Oh, shoot.
What is it?
Low battery.
You got me worried there for a second.
It's gonna have only this no matter what you say.
Fine by me. You sure those cars were there before?
What has been my answer the last 3 times you've asked me this?
make a run for it?
That is the exact opposite thing we should do in this situation.
I'm just throwing out suggestions. No need to get frustrated.
Frustrated? I'm scared as Wait, no, it's back.
What do you suggest?
Just call somebody. Have them come pick us up instead.
Who?
I don't know. Trying. Run. No!
Is that it? That can't be it.
What do you mean?
I mean, I think we just saw a kidnapping and maybe a murder.
You seriously think any of that was real?
Yes?
I mean, it was so obviously staged for views or something.
What?
I mean, haven't you seen how absurd all this is? The characters, the acting, none of it's any good.
The cars,
Hey,
the
what are you
parking
doing?
lot. How do you explain this? Huh?
Simple coincidence, the people driving around are the ones looking for it.